Big breaking news that's coming in. The Bombay High Court has said that the action by BMC in demolishing Kangana Ranaut's office was with malice. The Bombay High Court has said that money should be recovered from BMC officials and has also stated that the manner in which the demolition was carried out meant that it was a sinister attempt to silence Kangana. Kangana can now apply to the BMC for reconstructing her office in the area which was demolished. She can also apply for regularization of those areas which are not demolished. Remember that on September 9, the BMC had demolished most of the alleged unauthorized construction at actor Kangana's office cum residential bungalow. This was in Pali Hill in Bandra. So the Bombay High Court there has slammed the BMC, saying that it reeks of malice, the step of going ahead and demolishing Kangana's office. They've also said that a valuer will be appointed to go ahead and decide on the amount of compensation that should be given to Kangana Ranaut. Vidya is joining us live from Mumbai with more details on this. Vidya, this will come as a huge win for Kangana.
Well, it certainly is a huge win for Kangana, though the court very categorically said that, it does not approve of the kind of languages, the kind of tweets that Kangana was really putting out. But that still does not mean that the state can really use power against individuals. I'm joined by Rizwan Siddiqui, who is Kangana Ranaut's lawyer. You argued along with other advocates in the court during that entire hearing. Did you really expect that this would really come in your favor?
Well, I always expected a very balanced order, and I'm not really surprised with the order because at the face of it, we could see, what exactly was going wrong. And the judges have pronounced the same thing in an order. And I'm happy that justice is finally delivered.
But it will be a few more months before she can really reconstruct, because evaluation and everything will have to be taken.
See, I'll tell you what, as far as those other preconditions are there, that is also quite balanced. I'm not really worried about that. Overall, if I can just sum it up in 2 words, justice is delivered. Justice delivered.
Okay, so, during the entire order, the court also spoke about how Sanjay Raut had given an interview. You had also put that out in the court as well. Also with the Samna headline, which had said, "Ukhad diya."
Well, I don't want to get into what exactly was mentioned in the on the front page of Samna. The courts have taken cognizance of that. We only brought it to the notice of the courts exactly what was going on and how the state government could have been involved. The judges have taken cognizance of those facts, and I think it's also placed in the order pretty well. I'm waiting to see the final order, which will be uploaded soon. And only after that, then I'll be able to comment on that.
Thank you so much. So that was Rizwan Siddiqui talking about their entire issue. But, during the entire judgment, when the judges were reading out their own order, giving out the appropriate points, they very categorically said that there was malice involved in this because of the way the things had been unfolding, the way the notice was sent. The court very clearly said that it does not approve of illegal constructions anywhere in the city, but that does not mean that the way that this entire demolition took place was not right, is what the court had really said.
Essentially, Vidya, what the court has said is that the timing of the BMC's action is what reeks of malice. The fact that they decided to go ahead with the demolition exactly when Kangana was at war with the government. What about compensation? What about reconstruction of the building? Any mention of that?
Well, the court has very clearly said that she can go ahead with reconstructing, make the entire office habitable again. But she will really have to look into the facts that whether there are anything which is out of plan. Well, she'll have to go for regularization of that. All that notices will, if the BMC really decides to go ahead with another bit of demolition, then a 7-day notice will have to be given. So, the BMC will have to go through the entire procedure before really going ahead with any other action, is what the court has very clearly said. But Kangana will really have to work really hard at getting the entire office back into action, getting the entire office back habitable. She'll really have to put in a lot of effort, and it'll take a while. It will not certainly come about easily.
All right, Vidya, thank you for joining us with that update. Big relief coming in for Kangana Ranaut, with the Bombay High Court saying that the BMC's action with regards to the demolition of her office in September was one that was malified. They've also said that compensation will be decided by a valuer, the compensation that the BMC will have to cough up now to Kangana for demolishing parts of her office.